Hello everyone, this is Lero from Cool, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the movement heat maps to understand your visitor behavior and to find optimization opportunities. Right. Okay, so we are now on the movement heat maps, and maybe in the previous videos I mentioned that you can look at your heat maps by different device layout such as the desktop, tablet, and mobile layout. But actually, only for movement heat maps, desktop layout is only applicable. So because the movement heat map actually show you where do your visitor actually scroll the most towards to, right? So we can only track the mouse movement, how do they scroll on the desktop device. So the movement heat map is only applicable for the desktop device and it's not applicable for either mobile phone or tablet device. Okay, so on this movement heat map, you can see actually a lot of people are moving their mouse towards to our navigation menu, which is good. uh, they notice there is this navigation menu at the top, and then there is this movement. A lot of movements are displayed here, and actually we have a video here to showcase our product features. So we can safely assume that our videos are actually do capture their attentions, so they scroll and maybe look at our product or features demo. And what's the movement heat maps and click heat maps are actually a little bit similar. Is that the click heat map show you where do your people click the most, right? And then the movement heat map show you where do people tend to scroll towards to. So you can actually use the movement heat map to see to actually make assumptions that whether your elements capture user attentions, because sometimes your elements because sometimes when people didn't interact with your important elements, there could be many reasons. One is they didn't notice that. Another thing is that they are not ready, and maybe the elements is not persuasive enough to make them to commit to the actions. Yeah, so there are many reasons, but you can use the movement heat maps to make a hypothesis that okay, uh, people are actually noticing your important elements, but they didn't interact with it, or whether they interact with it using the click heat maps, right? For example, you can see some people are actually tend to move towards this start free trial button here on the movement heat map, which means that okay, some people actually notice this button, but on the other hand, when you look at the click heat maps, actually there is no people clicking on this start free trial button, right? So that is how you can use the click maps and movement heat maps together to actually see whether your elements capture user attentions. So if they do capture, but visitor did not interact with it, did not click on it, maybe you can find that is how you can uh, move move one step forward to your conclusion. So you can like exclude the assumptions that okay, people maybe the design are not obvious enough, something like that, right? Okay, so that is how you can use movement heat maps to make uh, hypothesis and to optimize your website, right? So I guess that is all for this today, and I will walk you through another types of heat maps in the next video. Thank you.